Hi there. We're just going to go over the 5.4 metre bed tiller from ScanStone, and what we want to do today is just go over some of the improvements from the earlier machines from 2012, 2013, 2014 and all the improvements we have on the machine today. So starting at the ploughs, the A-frame is now a 150 box section rather than 120, so that stops any bending. On the centre casing, come closer, Carl. On the centre casing, the gears in here, for a start it's all gears, there's no chains in here, and the gears have been upgraded so they're 7mm thicker. The output shaft here is now thicker as well, and the bearing is on the end of the shaft, as you can see in here. So the bearing's held on the shaft here, and you can tell here by this extra little lip here, and this is where we have the bearing. The shaft's wider and thicker. Also in here, in the reducer gearbox, it's held in with a nut now instead of just a floating collar. The output shafts are here, and then this is now a plastic guard rather than stainless steel as it was before, so that it takes away any of the rattling. The rotor, largely the same, but the quick change system now has a pinch bolt to keep the blades tight. Also the barrel of the rotor is thicker by 4mm as well. On the ScanStone bed tillers you also get the option of track eradicator tines, spring loaded. Assister rams are standard to help fold the machine up. The centre gearbox is a 450 HP gearbox, and it also has the oil cooler, and the reservoir is in the frame here. Stephen, do you want to talk about the mounting?
So on the assister arms, they are also incorporated with a locking pin, which is a thicker metal to stop these bending on the foam.
And then in here as well, is there some?
And then in here we have supported that bracket better to stop the cracking in the end flange of the housing.
And then you also have the option of the intake discs as standard. This is now on a square section rather than round. And then on the skid, here we have a wearing piece underneath the skid as well, which runs on here. You have your usual Cat 4 hitch here, where you can move it between Cat 3 and Cat 4. Transport safety lock, that's standard. That's about it, is it, Steve?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yep.